Today our topic is subsidiary alliance system that used by the Lord Wellesley, who was the Governor General of India from 1798 to 1805. The policy of subsidiary alliance was in real sense a document of losing sovereignty. Under this, the native state did not have the right of self-defense, of settling its disputes with its neighbors, of maintaining diplomatic relations, or of employing any other foreign experts. According to this system, every ruler in India had to accept to pay a subsidy to British for the maintenance of the British army. In return, British would protect them from their enemies. Subsidiary alliance was a major process that led to building of British Empire in India. यहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन बनता है कि हाउ द सब्सिडरी अलायंस सिस्टम बिकम अ मीन्स ऑफ एक्सटेंडिंग द कंपनी टेरिटरी इन इंडिया। नंबर 1, जो भी इंडियन रूलर इसका हिस्सा बनेगा उसको अपनी आर्म फोर्सेस डिसॉल्व करना होगी एंड एक्सेप्ट द ब्रिटिश फोर्सेस इन हिज टेरिटरी। He also had to pay for the maintenance of the British army. If he failed to make the payment, a portion of his territory was taken away and ceded to the British. इसके रिस्पॉन्स में British would protect the native state against any foreign attack or internal revolt with the help of their army. And second, British promised not interference in internal affairs of native Indian state. Number 3, after entering into subsidiary alliance with the Britishers, the native Indian state could also not enter into any political connection with another Indian state without the approval of the British. अब इंडियन रूलर के पास ना ही फॉरेन अफेयर की पावर है और ना ही मिलिट्री अफेयर्स की. He virtually lost all his independence and became a British protectorate. इसके अलावा ब्रिटिश आर्मी के सारे अखराजात वही रियासत बर्दाश्त करती है और ब्रिटिश आर्मी की प्रेजेंस की वजह से वो डी फैक्टो रूलर भी बन जाते हैं और इसी चीज़ को वो यूटिलाइज करके उस स्टेट का कंट्रोल हासिल कर लेते हैं और डायरेक्टली ब्रिटिश के कंट्रोल में चली जाती हैं. इंडिया में ब्रिटिश एम्पायर की बुनियाद इसी तरीके से रखी गई.